Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back today to share with you something that I found that works really well. It is the red aspen nails. They're called nail dashes and they're fantastic. I had been hearing about them from lots of different people. The number one person that I heard them from was Dawn of dekdesigns.com. So Dawn is just really sweet. I get the pleasure of working for DEK, and I just kept asking. I kept saying things like, "Your nails look really good," and I kept wondering, like, "Are y'all going to a nail salon?" But they're not. And so what they've done is she has learned about red aspen. So red aspen are just a set of nails. So before somebody asks me, these are the Carol Claws, and these are going to be my favorites. They're the pinks. And then I got some navies. I received a set of black as a Black Friday gift. Not really a black nail person. I mean, navy's pretty out there for me, but anyways, I appreciate them. And these are the perfect gift. I gave a gray set. I thought they were cocoa. And my daughter-in-law does the buffalo check gray and white for Christmas. So I gave those to her for her birthday, which is in early December. And I wanted to get her something, something kind of pretty and something kind of, I don't know, special, if that makes any sense. So anyways, and so I picked up the white because I love white nails. My husband doesn't like them as much, but I love them. He'll be fine with the pink. He likes the red. I had also picked up the fall red, but they didn't come in time. And these are the, hold on. Oh goodness, I've forgotten the name of these. And I forgot where it is on the box. They're the fall color. Anyways, they're red with a little bit of brown in them, and I think they're really pretty, and they're kind of ombre. I may wear them, I may not, may wait till next year. But the great thing about these is I can wear them, I can take them off, I can clean them, I can put them in the box and bring them back out. So every kit of these comes, and I got these for New Year's. So super cute. I did sign up to sell. My link is below. If you want any, you're welcome to. You do not need to feel like you have to. They come with the extra nails, just a sample so you can see. So you just basically find what fits. And then you lay them out, like thumb, you lay them out like that. And then you start with your thumbs and you just keep working, working all the nails. You do thumb, finger, that kind of a thing. So it comes with the glue, comes with the cuticle, pusher becker, and then the little nail file. And all you do is rough up your nail, clean it really good with alcohol, vinegar, anything like that. And in my nail salon, they used to just have us go wash our hands with soap. But a lot of soaps have essential oils, so you want to be careful about that. And you can literally just put a little bit of glue on. You literally take them and you angle into the cuticle and then go down and put them down. So you put a little bit of glue on each of the nails, a little bit on your nail, and you spread it out, and then you put it on. And basically, if you want it to last, these have been over a week. If they want them to last 2 weeks, you put a little bit more than a pea size amount of glue on the inside of the nail, of the false nail, and then just spread a little bit over the cover of your nail, and then you put them on and you wipe up any excess glue. Now, one thing I did find was it'll get caught up underneath if you're not careful. And one of my nails, it ended up being too short for my nail, so I just trimmed my nail up, which I'm really glad it worked out that way. It wasn't my intention, but it worked out that way, which I don't know. These are all matched. They have little numbers on them, but I'm blind as a bat. I can't see the numbers, so I just tried them, and clearly I did two different, length. You can see they're shorter. So, and I really wish they were all this short. I do. I find, especially on my thumbs. So what you do is you trim them down and then you file them like you would a regular nail. I haven't done that yet because I just wanted to show you guys. But these will be for New Year's, and I think that they're fun. They're easy. They're inexpensive. At the most, you're paying, I think, $15 a kit. These are the short square. They have the coffin style. I hate the name. And then they have like an almond style, and then they have just a longer style. And then they even have petites. So, and they have children's size too. So anyways, long story short, I've loved these. I think that for somebody who used to pay to get your nails done, I had them dipped and then gelled. I think this will be less wear and tear because when you take these off, you just soak your hands in water. And then you take the nails and you soak them in water and you clean them up. and then you just load them back in your little kit. I got this kit at Walmart. I bought it on the pick up and delivery kind of thing, or pick up the curbside. And it basically holds everything, but the glue's a little bit too long. So I have that in a little separate thing, but I can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 sets, actually 13, because I won't need that on the other side, sets of nails. And I don't know that I'd ever have that many, but at this point, I mean, it works perfectly. And this just fits down in my little chair, and these are perfect to just wrap up. So I'll show you how I just literally do this. I saved this box in case somebody said, what's the name? It's Carol Claus. And I love these. They are a little bit shiny for me. And my husband and daughter first went, whoa, shiny. But I kind of like it. They feel Christmassy. So anyways, so like I said, it comes with the glue. And so you can see glue doesn't fit. Of course, on this side it won't, but I'll show you on the other side too. And then all I do is I just take it. And like I said, I've worn these for a week. I've had to be doing dishes. I've been washing all the dishes by hand, not messing with the dishwasher right now. And they have stayed on. I have been totally, totally surprised. And that's all I do. I literally just load them. And then when I take these off, I'll add them to that. And I was wrong. The other side has even more slots because you don't need this big of a slot. But just so you can see, this does not fit. So I just keep these in a little bowl near my seat, and that's where I do my nails. So I just wash and clean my nails before I put them in, and that's it. I'm ready to go. And I just keep this, and I've got everything in one little location. But another thing, and I mean, I am shocked at everybody who is wearing these. It just cracks me up right now in the craft YouTube world. These seem to have just hit, and it's funny, I had ordered these a while back and just hadn't used them yet. I had these forever, and I didn't use them. I have another order coming. The orders take a little bit of time, and of course, right now with Christmas in the mail, you got to know. So, but there's also makeup. There's all kinds of goodies. So, I haven't tried any of the makeup yet. When I do, I'll be glad to share with you guys. But these are so cute. These are perfect stocking stuffers. I think if you order today, you probably get them in time for Christmas, but the website will tell you, or you can just make a coupon and give it to somebody. But I highly, highly recommend these. These are fun. They're easy. They're cute. I feel finally like I have my nails done. I tried every paint. I tried Vinylux. I tried everything, nail polish, and nothing was working. I am really hard on my nails because of where we live and because of crafting and everything else. So, I don't know. This is the one thing I haven't tried yet is if I get ink on them, will it come off? But I will know soon. And if you come back, I'm going to be doing some tutorials, but long story short, I can't wait to play with all of these. And literally, they say 5 minutes. Probably took me 10 to get these on this last time because I was doing it kind of in the dark. We were watching a Christmas movie. So, and they dry instantly. It's crazy how quick they dry. Now, I would highly recommend that you keep your nail bed clean, everything clean. You make sure everything's clean. There's no problems before you put them on, all that kind of good stuff. And if you are highly allergic like I am, I would highly suggest you test this glue and just put a drop on your nail where it gets close to your skin but not on it and see if you have any kind of reaction. I did not, and I was so thankful. I cannot wear like the acrylic nails that they put on. I've had them put on 3 different times, and literally one of them, I took them off within 24 hours. I had such an allergic reaction. So, and I'm very allergic to adhesives, and to me, this is just like a super glue. So, okay, friends, if you have any questions, leave them below. I've got links below. And if you need anything, just let me know. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. And I hope you enjoy better looking nails for the rest of the season. All right, guys. Love you guys. Y'all be good. Be safe. And most importantly, I pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. If you enjoyed this, thumbs up, subscribe, do all that kind of good stuff. This is definitely not craft related, but it is kind of craft related in a weird way. So anyways, okay, friends. Love you guys. Talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.